Welcome back. In the last few videos, we got the end cap set up for all our connections and the easy pod glued up, so we're ready to assemble. I changed the 8-pin connector off screen since the last video because I realized this one is an actual RJ45 cable. I also did some wire management to get this camera, which is a black and white Basler model, connected off screen, like the RJ45 connector on the end of the 8-pin cable, and soldering the power cables for the power to a connector that matches the camera port right here. If you want to see a video about how I made the RJ45 connection, or soldering, let us know in the comments. With all the connectors sorted, all that's left is to physically assemble the system. I'll start by mounting the camera to the end cap. These are some parts we machined to match the mounting holes in the end cap and camera that let us move the camera around. Now the camera is connected and attached, and we just need to put the enclosure together. Start by making sure your O-rings are clean and dry. Mine look pretty good. Now we're going to grease up the O-rings and put them in their grooves or corners. I'm using Mullicoat 4 electrical insulating compound. For the 4-inch flange, a 247 O-ring goes in the groove, and a 241 goes in the corner. Now I got my 241 O-ring that goes in this corner right here. Now we just need to close the lid and tighten it up. It's important to use washers to spread the load from the fasteners and also to prevent the steel screws from touching the aluminum end cap. I'm using steel and plastic washers, which will separate the steel washer from the aluminum and spread out the load. I also use a lock washer to keep a load on the joint. Alright, I got that all closed out, now let's install the dome. Before I install the dome, I'm actually going to install this 16mm lens just for the camera. For the dome flange, we use a 153 O-ring. Just grease it up the same as before and secure the dome with 1/2-inch M3 screws. These came with the Blue Robotics dome when I ordered it. It's all assembled. Let's hook it up to my computer and get some videos. Here I have a power source on 12 volts for the camera, a 2-pin cable connected to the power, an 8-pin cable with an RJ45 connector on the other end, and my computer. I'm just using the Pylon Viewer app, which is the Basler camera interface. Let me connect the power and Ethernet cables. Okay, if everything is right, I should be able to turn on the power and connect this to the camera. We use this WD-40 can as a model. There we go. Look at that. Nice shot of this piece of can WD-40. Look at that beautiful power source. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about using the Easy Pods or any specifications, let us know. Also, if you want to see more marine engineering products and services, go ahead and check out our website, bellamare-us.com. Take it easy.